How do I override the str function without raising a UnicodeEncodeError? I am puzzled that defining _str_ for a class seems to have no effect on using the str function on a class instance. For example, I read in the Django documentation that the print statement and the str built-in call _str_ to determine the human-readable representation of an object. But that doesn't appear to be true. Here's an example from a module where text is always assumed to be Unicode. In Python 2, it gives the following behavior. Is there a way to overload the str function?
For Python 2, you are returning the wrong type from the _str_ method. You are returning Unicode, while you must return str. Because self._text is not already a type str, you'll need to encode it. Because you return Unicode instead, Python is forced to encode it first, but the default ASCII encoding can't handle the non-ASCII E character. Printing the object results in the right output only because my terminal is configured to handle UTF-8. Note that there is no _Unicode_ method in Python 3, URF6.py3, and that method is entirely redundant. The following would work too. However, if you are using the 6 library, you'd be far better of using the @6.python_2_Unicode_compatible decorator, and only define a Python 3 version for the _str_ method. Where it is assumed text is always Unicode. If you are working with Django, then you can get the same decorator from the Django.utils.encoding module.
If you want the same way, клей античем себе субсидинг.